This is a brand new 2013 Ford F-Series. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 6.2-liter V8, and four-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include the Value Package, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, a remote start feature, power-adjustable driver pedals, an off-road package, skid plates, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a multi-function display, air conditioning, cruise control, side curtain airbags, full power accessories, front and rear reading lights, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, a trailer hitch receiver, and Sirius satellite radio. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.